Hello again, and welcome to the last chapter for Elements of Statistics Online. This is Chapter 11, and I want to talk briefly about what you should expect for Chapter 11 before you get started. So Chapter 11 is split into 4 sections. You have spent Chapter 9 in learning how to construct a confidence interval. Chapter 10 in learning how to do a hypothesis test. Now, both of those chapters are based on a single sample. So you're taking one sample from one population and you are using it in order to make an inference about that population. The difference between that and what you're going to see in Chapter 11 is Chapter 11 is about comparing one population to another. So you will be taking 2 samples, a sample from each of 2 populations, and comparing those 2 populations. So you'll be doing it in 3 different ways. One is about 2 population proportions. So you're going to compare the population from our population 1 to population 2 in proportions. In 11.2, you're going to be comparing means, but means for dependent samples. Those of you going into a medical field, these are very important for you. There are a lot of studies that have to do with before and after a treatment when you're looking at one set of patients. So your set of patients is the same and you look at them before or after a certain treatment, or before one treatment and then before another treatment, and so on. So these are dependent samples. The third one is for 2 population means when the samples are independent. So the 2 groups have nothing to do with each other and you are comparing them across 2 different populations. And like Chapter 9 and Chapter 10, this chapter also has a section on putting it all together, so you'll be presented with each different way and have to choose what type of test or what type of confidence interval to use for each particular scenario. After this, we will be working toward quiz number 4. So quiz number 4 will cover chapters 9, 10, and 11, and then there is the comprehensive final exam coming up. So good luck this week. Reach out to me if you need help, and attend the workshops if you are able. Have a great week.